Hey guys, it's Jewel with the Daily Drop Society. Today we're talking all about peppermint essential oil, what it's good for, and how you can use it at home. Can I have a favorite essential oil? Because peppermint just may be it. Okay, so maybe I have a lot of favorites, but this one is definitely in the top 5 of my favorites because it can do so many different things. The moment you take the cap off of doTERRA peppermint oil, you can automatically smell there's something a little bit different about it. It smells absolutely incredible and it is so strong. I've owned lots of peppermint essential oils before, and this one is just, there's no mistaking, there's something really special to it. Because there are so many different ways to use this oil, we're just gonna jump right into it because I had a really hard time narrowing down my favorite ways to use this oil because this is one truly everybody needs at home in their toolbox. Now this oil is a great natural bug repellent. Just last month I stayed in a hotel and when I walked in, there were spiders all over the place. Spiders. Little spiders. Big spiders. In the bathroom. Everywhere. Freaked me out. So I grabbed my peppermint essential oil and I put a few drops around my bed and I never saw a spider near my bed for the rest of the time. It was incredible and it gave me a sense of ease. I've also used peppermint essential oil before to repel ants. We got that cute little trail of marching ants in our kitchen. And so I took my doTERRA peppermint essential oil and I wiped everything down with it, caulked things up, started diffusing it towards the point that I knew they were coming out into my house. And within a day, gone. Those ants were no longer an issue. This is an incredible natural way to get rid of those pests that you don't want. Another great use is for travel nausea. Sometimes when I travel, especially on airplanes, and you might hit a little bit of plane turbulence, my stomach starts to feel so nauseous and I don't want to be that person that everyone's really nervous to sit by. So I always travel with my peppermint essential oil. I'll put a drop on my tongue and it just completely calms down that nausea and upset stomach I'm getting. I'll even just open the bottle and just smell it because it helps calm my nerves and my stomach. This oil is great for energizing you and beating that midday slump. Do you ever just get exhausted midday and you're ready to just be done for the rest of the day? As a mom, I feel that in the mornings or in the midday. It's just all the time, constantly. I get a little tired. Take peppermint essential oil, apply it to the backs of your neck, breathe it in, and it's gonna help keep you awake and going. Now, if you ever get head tension, take this oil and apply 1 drop to your temples, to the back of the neck, across my forehead, and any other places that you may feel that tension building up to help ease that pressure. Now just be careful, make sure you don't get it in your eyes because that's when it hurts. We don't want to do that. Now if you're feeling a little bit overheated, this oil is great for cooling the body down. Again, you can put it on your forehead, the back of the neck, to naturally cool down your body. I've used this to help ladies who may be going through a hot flash, to help that calm down faster, or even a temperature to bring that down if our body needs a little bit of that cooling. Or I've been working out in the yard and it's hot where I live in the desert, and so my body needed to cool down faster. This is a great oil to do that with. You can use this oil to help open up your airways. You just take a drop, put it in your hand, rub the palms of your hands together, avoiding the fingertips because we don't want to get it around your eyes, and cup your hands around your nose and your mouth and breathe in deep, and it opens your airways right up. Whew, that's so strong. This oil is a great natural breath freshener. We're used to having peppermint in things like toothpaste and gum. So imagine if you can get rid of all the junk and the sugars in those products and just take a drop of peppermint on your tongue to help freshen your breath. This oil is also great for natural flavoring in food. You can add 1 to 2 drops to baked goods, to maybe candies you're making. and it tastes minty fresh. I love using a few drops in brownies to make peppermint brownies. It tastes amazing. Now, speaking of making treats, if you're looking to curb that desire to now snack on those peppermint treats you just made, interesting little thing, you can actually use peppermint oil just by inhaling it, can help curb your desire for wanting those treats. Those are just a few of my favorite ways to use doTERRA's peppermint essential oil. If you guys have a way you love to use it that you didn't hear on the video, leave a comment below. I would love for you to share the ways you're using it at home for a more empowered health. Thanks so much for being with me.